lesson is on adding without regrouping. We're going to go through the steps together and then you're going to practice one on your own. The first step is to draw a place value chart. In our place value chart, we always include the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands place. Don't forget to place a comma after the thousands place. The second step is to draw a model of the first addend. In the example 265 plus 132, 265 is the first addend. We place our model into the place value chart by drawing 2 squares in the hundreds, 6 sticks in the tens, and 5 dots in the ones. The third step is to include the correct operation sign in the left side of the chart. In this case, our operation is addition. The fourth step is to write the standard form of the second addend in the chart. In the example 265 plus 132, 132 is the second addend. We use the standard form by placing a 1 in the hundreds, a 3 in the tens, and a 2 in the ones place. Step 5 is to draw the equal sign as a long bar underneath the expression. Step 6. Beginning with the ones place, count the first addend and add the second addend. Make sure you count using the appropriate value. Same when you are adding. Once again, our example was 265 plus 132. We are going to begin in the ones column, counting our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then adding 2 more. When we add them together, we're going to draw the sum in model form. You should have 7 dots in the ones place. 5 plus 2 is 7. Step 8 is to repeat step 6 and 7 with the tens place. If we look at our tens place, we have 6 sticks, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, plus 3 more tens, 70, 80, 90. You should then have 9 sticks in the tens column. Notice, they are not tallies. We do not cross across when we get to 5. All the 10 should be laid out side by side. In step 9, we once again repeat step 6 and 7 with the hundreds place. 2 hundreds, 100, 200, plus 1 more hundred would equal 300. So we draw 3 squares in the hundreds place. In step 10, we count each model in the chart and write the total sum in standard form. I have 3 squares in the hundreds place, which is 300. I have 9 sticks in the tens place, which is 90. And I have 7 dots in the ones place, which is 7. So my answer would be 397. The last step is to make sure that you circle your answer. Now you try. 413 plus 271. At this time, you can pause the video and go back to any screen that you need for extra help. You can re-watch the video up until this point if you would like. Press play when you have found the sum and you are ready to check your answer. Let's check. In 413 plus 271, my first step is to draw out my first add-in using model symbols. I have 4 squares in the hundreds place, 1 stick in the tens place, and 3 dots in the ones place. My second step was to write the number 271 in standard form. 2 in the hundreds, 7 in the tens, 1 in the ones. I then add each column beginning with the ones place and draw my model form as the answer. 3 ones, 1, 2, 3, plus 1 more 1 should be 4 ones or 4 dots. In my tens column, I have 1 10 plus 7 more tens, which would be 70, would be 10 plus 70 or 80, which is 8 sticks. In my hundreds place, I have 4 squares, 100, 200, 300, 400, plus 2 more hundreds, 500, 600, or 6 squares. When I put my models together, my answer is 684. How did you do?